Hello. All right. Next, I think you can guess it. Let's see if we can write data to a file instead of reading it from a file. We'll be using this over the next couple lectures to create our own computer-generated STL files to try to connect some of what we're doing in this class to some 3D modeling that you've done in some other intro engineering classes. Okay, so what I've got right here is the kind of backbone for reading from a file. If I want to write to a file, I just change the input file stream to OF stream for output file stream. Still have to include the F stream in order to be able to use the output file stream. I've created an output file stream called myFile, but that could be any name you want. And the name of the file that I'm going to write to here is called data.txt. The .txt file extension is good if you're just writing simple characters to that file. Okay, so let's say I want to write a message here. myFile. I would use this the same way I would use the cout. So if I wanted to write hello to the file, or excuse me, to the command window, I could direct the hello to the cout object, and if I want to write it to a file instead, I just replace that with myFile. Okay, if I want to write the word hello 30 times, I'll just put this in a loop. Like that. And each time I go through the loop, I'd have to add 1 to it. Okay, now when you save and compile and run this program, so I just saved it, so I'll compile it, and before I run it, I'm going to list the files in my directory, and right now there's no file. If you look in the files in my current directory, there's nothing called data.txt. I'm now going to run the program and then relist the files in the directory, and now there is a new file here called data.txt. If you want to see what's inside of that file, you could open it, and most of you are using a Windows machine, so you would type notepad space data.txt. I'm using a different text editor, but that doesn't matter. So I'm just going to open up mine, and you can see it has put the word hello to the file 30